Garmin dezl OTR720. Honest proof. The truck GPS your phone wishes it could be. You're rolling down the highway, stomach in knots because your phone GPS just tried to take your 13-foot 6-inch rig under an 11-foot bridge again. Or you're circling a shipper at 2 a.m. looking for a dock that doesn't seem to exist. Sound familiar? We've all been there, that sinking feeling when tech fails you. Drop your worst GPS horror story in the comments right now. Come on, I'm waiting. That constant low-grade chaos, hunting parking, sweating wind gusts, praying the route is actually legal. It's exhausting. It's a heavy weight on your chest every single run. Burnout creeps in fast when nothing you use was built for trucks. But there's a calmer, smarter, more controlled way to live out here, and it's sitting right in front of thousands of us.
Then I mounted the Garmin dezl OTR720, and everything changed. This isn't some reskinned car GPS. This thing knows your exact height, weight, length, trailers, even if you're hauling hazmat. It routes you like a 30-year veteran planned it. The 7-inch screen is stupidly bright and crisp, even in glaring sun. BirdsEye satellite imagery lets you zoom right into the dock door before you're even off the exit. You roll in like you've been there 100 times. The community parking and dock status is borderline magic. Truckers mark spots almost full or long wait in real time. Wind speed overlay actually warns you before crosswinds try to put you in the ditch. Popular trucker routes glow on the map so you're never the only fool on some sketchy backroad. I once had a tight midnight delivery. Old GPS wanted to send me down a 12-foot bridge road. The dezl rerouted me flawlessly. I previewed the dock with satellite view, backed in first try, and was bobtailed out while other guys were still lost. Relief doesn't even cover it.
It all chains together beautifully. Accurate routing saves hours. You're not stressed and tired. You drive sharper and safer. You finish loads faster. You're either home more or running more miles. It's that simple. A trucking tech analyst ran it 2,000 miles, no routing errors. An influencer out in the plains calls the wind alerts a legit lifesaver. One fleet manager told me route violations dropped so hard they paid for the units in months. A 25-year veteran said, and I quote, "Even this old dog admits it makes the job easier." In my own truck, parking alone has saved me 45 to 90 minutes almost every night. Yeah, some guys worry about the learning curve. Took me literally 10 minutes to set up my profile, and I'm not exactly a tech wizard. Others hate change. Totally get it. But once you see that satellite view of the dock and roll in like a boss while the guy next to you is lost, you'll never go back. See why thousands of us can't shut up about this thing? Tell me in the comments if you're finally ready to ditch the phone nonsense.
Imagine ending every day with a spot secured, rolling up to docks calm and confident, knowing the wind won't catch you off guard, and never sweating a low bridge again. That's what the Garmin dezl OTR720 delivers for owner-ops and company drivers alike. Join the pros already running smoother, safer, more profitable miles with this unit. If you're tired of winging it with apps that don't get trucking, do yourself the favor. Grab the Garmin dezl OTR720 through my affiliate link in the description or pinned comment. You'll thank yourself at the next shipper. Let's roll smarter.